Let's look at this JAB 2021 logarithmic question. So find S if log S with base 9 is equals to 1.5. Solution. Log S with base 9 equals to 1.5. From here now, before you can solve this question, you have to convert this number to a fraction since it has decimal place. So it will now be log S with base 9 equals to 1/5 over 10. 5 divided here, we have 3. 5 divided here, we have 2. So it will now be log S with base 9 equals to 3 over 2. So from here, we can convert it to indices. This base will be transferred to the other side to raise this as a power to eliminate this log. So it will now be 9 raised to power 3 over 2 equals to S. From here now, we have a fractional indices. So it will now be S equals to 9 3 over 2. And the denominator is the rest. Since the denominator is 2, will now be the square root. Now the S equals to square root of 9 all raised to power the numerator, which is 3. And the square root of 9 will give you 3. S will now be 3 raised to power 3, which is equals to 27. This is our answer for this question.